Hello, welcome to this demonstration. This is Peter Modebe Udo. In this demonstration, we are going to look at how to compress a file, how to create a zip file, get a bunch of files and compress them into a zip file. And once we do that, the computer will be able to see it as one file that we can save or send via email. Let's go ahead and get started. To show how this works, I'm going to go ahead and open up File Explorer and navigate all the way to my document where I have some files or documents inside a folder. I'm going to go ahead and use this one, May 23rd, as an example. When I go into this folder, I have 5 files inside. So let's say I want to send these files to somebody. An example will be if you have a resume, cover letter, ID, and the number of things you want to send together, instead of it attaching them as individual files, you can actually send them as a zip file. Also, when you are submitting your homework or assignment to your professor, this will be a way to create a zip folder of multiple files and upload them or send via email. So let's see how this works. To make a zip folder out of these 5 files, I'm going to click on this and hold Control key on the keyboard and select this and this, this and that. That's 5 of them. I can also click on this, hold Shift key and click on the last one, and that will select the whole thing. Once I make that selection, I'm going to right click and say compress zip file. So this is the beauty of Windows 11. So you have compressed to zip file right there. In Windows 10, it will have another menu that says send to, and then when you click on send to, you'll be able to select compress zip folder, zip file as an option. So here we're going to say compress to zip file. I'm going to left click and it creates this. All 5 of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are inside this folder now. And it gives it the name of one of the files. I can change that while this is highlighted with the blue highlight there. I can change the name. Let me call it assignment. May 23rd. Let me just give it that name. That's my compressed zip folder. And when you compress your zip folder, you're going to see something that looks like zip. If you take a good look at the folder icon, you will see what looks like a zip, picture of a zip there, showing you that multiple files and or folders have been zipped into that particular one folder. If I want to decompress this, if I double click it, these are the 5 files. I can go ahead and delete the rest of this because I'm returning copies of them inside here. If I double click, I'll be able to open them up. I can actually copy each individual files from here. If I want to unzip them into individual files, I'll have to right click and say extract, and I can create a different folder and extract all of them into that folder. Let me call this extracted assignment. And once I click on it, actually you need to select the actual folder and then say extract. You click on extract and all of the files are there. They're no longer compressed as a zip file. Now I have my zip file and the folder that I have extracted into. So when I open that folder, each individual file is available to me now and I can use them as I please. If I want to send this folder as an individual file, it's not going to let me do that over email. I have to select each one of them and attach it, but that's a lot of work. So it calls for zip file. Now, if I want to send this via email, this will be the right one to send as one file with all those files documents inside them. Let's see how that works. I'm going to click here and this is my email. I can say send to this person and say this is assignment folder and say that in the title. Yeah. So this is ready to send, and once I do that, see where I have this clip. If I click on it, I can browse. See where it says browse this computer? I can browse to that folder called May the 23rd. Let's see. Make sure I can find it. May the 23rd. So this one that has zip on it, that's the one I can attach. If I try to attach this, look at what happens. It opens them, so I have to start attaching individually. But to get all of them one at a time, I click on the one that I've already zipped up, the zip folder, and when I click it, grabs it at one file and attaches it there. And I can send this as an email or upload it on Canvas, Moodle, Blackboard, or any other learning management system. Send. So that's how to compress zip file, compress a file and send them via email or upload them online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.